Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Mercari app not working. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have the Mercari app, and for some reason it's not working for you. How do you actually go ahead about fixing this? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So usually when the Mercari app doesn't work, I have three possible solutions. The first thing that you can try is if you're on an Apple device, you can open up the Mercari app, and if it's not opening up, you want to go ahead and swipe up so it looks like this, and then hold the app and swipe it up again. So what this is going to do is that it's going to close the Mercari app and then go ahead and launch it again. The other thing that you can do is just double check and make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi. And with the Wi-Fi, you should be able to connect or access the Mercari app. Additionally, you could actually go ahead and go into the App Store and simply make sure that the Mercari app is up to date. So if we go into the App Store and search Mercari, you'll see that if you click on Mercari, it says open. But in your case, you might want to go ahead and update it. But those are pretty much the solutions when it comes to trying to fix the Mercari app not working. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix the Mercari app not working. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.